Alexandria test. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. If we have 30 product by A equal 15 product by 30, then the value here will be 30. A will be equal 30 because 30 times 15 equal 15 times 30. We use the commutative properties here. Question number 2. The next number in the pattern 5, 8, 11, 14, it will be 17. He ate 3 all the time. Question number 3. Which of the following is an equation? It will be n plus 2 equal 5. We call that equation. The equation contains of two expressions and lies this sign equal to between them. Question number 4. The greatest common factor of 6 and 12. 12 we can divide it by 6. Then 6 is the greatest common factor between two numbers. Question number 5. 9.4 subtract by 5.03 equal, we can point here 0. 0 minus 3 we can't do it to 1. It will be 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 3 minus 0 it will be 3. And write point 9 minus 5 equal 4. Then the result will be 4 and 37 hundredths. Okay, it was question number 5. Question number 6. We want to find the difference between 70 and 7 tenths subtracted by 7 tenths. We can put 0 here to find the difference between them. We must equal parts. 7 minus 0 equals 7, and then write the point. No, again we have 70.7 subtracted by 7 tenths. It was divided. Okay, divided by this number, you must write 70.7 numerator, 0.7 numerator. You must cancel the point in numerator by multiplication by 10. The result will be 7 here, and numerator 707. We can divide them. 7 divided by 7, 1. 0 divided by 7, 0. 1. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. And the result will be 101. Next question. We have here in question number 2. Look at here, number 1. Moon had 86.5 Egyptian lira. She spent 43 and 75 hundredths Egyptian lira. Find the remainder with her. The remainder will be, find the difference between two numbers. First number here was equal the remainder here equal, we have 86.5. She spent 43 and 75 hundredths. We can write 86.5.0 subtract by 43 and 75 hundredths. 0 minus 7 we can't do it. 1 it will be 10, and here 14 minus 5 it will be 5. 4 minus 7 we can't do it. 1. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 5 minus 3 equal 2. 8 minus 4 equal 4. The result will be 42 and 75 hundredths. Okay, Egyptian lira. Next question, number 2. Find the greatest common factor and this multiplication of 12 and 18. 12 equal 2 times 6, and 6 equal 2 times 3, and 18 equal 2 times 9, and 9 3 over 3. Then we can write 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3, and 18 equal 2 times 3 times 3. And then we can circle the common factor between them, 2 and 3. Then the greatest common factor, it will be 2 times 3, it will be equal 6. And the least common multiplication, we can write from any circle here, we must write one digit. Right here 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then the least common multiplication between them, 4 times 9 equals 36. Okay, next question. Number 3, find the product between 75 and 23. Question number 3. First step, write 75. Product by 23. 3 times 5, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 times 7, 21. Plus 1 equal 22. Plus and write 0. 2 times 5 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1 equal 15. And then eat them. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 5 plus 2 equal 7. Then write 1. Result will be 1725. Next example, number 4. Find the result about this expression. We have this example, 21.57 plus, okay, we must add them to numbers here, 36, 361 and 983. We must put 0 here to find the result. 3 plus 0 equal 3 and 8 plus 7 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 plus 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 6 plus 2 equal 8, and then write 3. Next exam, number 1. We must comparing between two numbers here. Number 1, 265 and 25 hundredth, or 26 and 252. We can combine between two numbers. 26 here, 265 and 25 hundredth, and next number here, 26 and 252. This number greater than this number, 265 greater than 26. Okay, you must comparing between whole numbers here. Question number 2, 25 is a multiple of what? 25 multiple of 5, because 25 can divide it by 5. Number 3, we have 0.25 liter convert to milliliter per product by 1000. The result will be 250 milliliter. Question number 4, 12 times 0.2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2, and the point after one place. The result will be 2.4. Question 5, the value of the digit 5 is the number 28 and 5 hundredth here. 5 lies in hundredth, or 5 intenses. Okay, 5 intenses. 0.5. It's the value of digit 5 in the number 28 and 51 hundredths. It will be 0.5. Question 6. The common multiple of all numbers, it will be 0. 0 can be divided by any numbers, but 0 divided itself, it will be undefined. Next question, number 7. Round the number here to the nearest hundredth. We have here, you want to find approximated to the nearest hundredth, 450 and 157. To the nearest hundredth, right, 450 and 1. 7 can give 1 to 5 will be 6. The result will be 450 and 16 hundredths. Next question. Question number 2. Write in standard 4. Number 1. We have 20 plus 3, it will be 3 and 5 tenses. Question number 2. We must add 3 and 100th plus 4.5. We must put 0. 0 plus 1 equal 1. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 and 51 hundredths. Number 3. 8 times 56 brackets equal 8 times space plus 8 product by 6. We know 8 times 50 plus 8 times 6. We can use here distributive properties. We called it distributive properties. Number 4, 54 divided by 5 equal 10 and the remainder space. 5 times 10 equal 50 and the remainder 4. Question 5. If b minus 25 equal 4, means the value of b equal 25 plus 4. It will be 29. Because b here we called it the median. If you want to find the median, you must add the difference to the subtrahend. Then the result will be 29. Question 6. The prime factors of 15 equal 3 and 5. We know any prime number can divide it by itself and 1. We have 2 factors of any prime numbers. So, about this example, number 6, the prime factors of 15, it will be 3 and 5. Question number 7. 158 15 okay, we have 100, okay, 158.5 divided by 100. We must move the point to left hand side by 2 places. 1.58 and 5. Move the point left hand side by 2 places. Question 8. 230 and 4,000. 230 and 4,000. Okay, 230 and 4,000. Next question. Find the difference between or divided. Okay, question number 5. You want to find the quotient of 15.7 divided by 0.1. It's meaning 15.7 product by 10. Then you must move the point to right hand side by 1 place. The result will be 157. Question 6. The value of the expression 22 plus 33 divided by sum of 3 and 8. We can write 22 plus 33 divided by 11. We can find the result in brackets first. Okay, 22 right here plus 33 divided by 11 equal 3. The result will be 25. Okay, the result here will be what? 25. Next example, number 7. Which of the following numbers are the common multiple of 3 and 5? 3 times 5 equal 15. And which number can divide it by 3 and 5? 15. Here, which of the numbers common multiple of 3 and 5 can divide it by 3 and 5? It will be 90. Okay, question number 7, the result will be 90 because 90 can divide it by 5 and 90 can divide it by 3. 9 divided by 5 equal 1 and the remainder 4. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. And 90 divided by 3 equal 30. Then the result will be 90. 90 is the multiple of two numbers 3 and 5. Next question, find the value of k. Solve this question to find the unknown value here. We have question number 1. We have k plus 24 or 2.4 equal 7.8. We can find the value of k. K equals 7.8 subtract 2.4. Then the value of k equal 8 minus 4 equal 4. And we have 2 here. 7 minus 2 it will be 5. The result will be 5.4. Question number 2. A factory produces 320 toys each month. What is the number of toys they produce at 12 months? Okay, we can find the total by product 320 by 12 to find the collection of the total producing. We can put 0 outside and write 32 product by 12. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 3 times 1 2 times 2 4 and 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 100 0. 1 times 2 equal 2, 1 times 3 equal 3, and then in them 4 plus 0 equal 4, 6 plus 2 equal 8, and then write 3 here. The result will be 384, and write 0, then the result will be 3,840. Next question, find the greatest common factor between 36 and 24. Question number 3, we know 36 equal 4 times 9, and 4 equal 2 times 2, and 9 equal 3 by 3. And we have 24, we can factorizing it, 4 by 6, and 4 equal 2 by 2, and 6 equal 2 by 3. Then 36 equal 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and 24 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then you can draw the circles to common number here. You want to find the greatest common factor between them. We can write 2 plus 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, it will be 12. Then the height common factor between them, it will be 12. Next question. If the price of 14 boxes is 490 pounds, find the price of each box. We can find the price of each one by divided two numbers. The price of each box will be equal 490 divided by 14. 4 divided by 14, we can't do it. 49 divided by 14 equal what? We can write 3 times 14. 3 times 4 12, 2 and care of 1. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4, which is 2. Then we can write here 3. 3 times 14 equal 42, and then find the difference. 9 minus 2 equals 7, and then drop 0. 70 divided by 14 equal 5. 5 times 14 equals 70, and the result will be 35. Question number 1, the prime factors of 35, it will be 5 and 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Then 5 and 7, we called it prime factors of number 35. Question number 2, 40 times space equal 40,000 product by 1,000. Question 3, the common factor, the common multiple of all number will be 0. Question number 4, this number 36 and 479 approximating on the now rounding here to the nearest one here is tenses. You write 36 and 5 here, then the result will be to the nearest tenses. Okay, goes to the nearest what? Tenses. Question 5. The rule of the pattern 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus what equal 18. He product by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. It will be n times 3. It's the rule about question number 5. Question number 6. We have 40 times 30 brackets plus 40 times 8 in the other brackets, and 7 times 30 and 7 times 8. We have 40 plus 7, it will be 47, first number, and 30 plus 8, it will be 38. And the result will be 47 times 38. Question 7. The equation which represents this model here equal what? We have the model, and we want to find the equation which represents the model, and we can solve this equation. We have about question 7, this number in the top, 3.5. Then 3.5 equal W plus 2.8. Or you can write W equals 3.5 subtract 0.8, and then find the variable here, W. 5 minus 8, we can't do it, number 1. 15 minus 8, 7. Write 0, the result will be 7 tenths. Question 8. 4,500 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9, it will be 5, and write double zero. The result will be 500. 500. Next example. Third, choose the correct answer. 2.3 times 0.2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 2 equals 4. And the point after one place and one place, it will be after two places. Question number 2. 225 centimeter to the nearest meter. We can find by divided by 100. It will be 2.25 divided 100, this number. Convert from centimeter to meter. Next question. Multiple 5 by the sum of number 2.1. It's right in one multiplication 5. Write 5 outside with the sum of 2.1 and 6. We can write here 5 product the sum of 2.1 and 6. Choose letter D. Okay, 5 times 2.1 plus 6. You can write here product or not. Okay, next example. 300,000 equivalent here. What in this choosing? $300,000, meaning 300 over 1,000. Okay, or you can cancel 0 by 0, 30 over 100. Or you can cancel 0 by 0, or 3 over 10. It will be 3 tenths. We can write 3 tenths. And the result will be letter A. Next question. The number 4 and 132 thousandths. Right, in standard form what? We have the number 4 and 132 thousandths. 4 and 132 thousandths. 4 and 162 thousandths. Okay, again 4 and 162 thousandths. Again 4 and 162 thousandths. Question number 2. 16.9 plus 2.18 and 5. We can put double 0 here. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 8 plus 0 equal 8. 1 plus 9 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6 equal 9, and 0 write 1. Then the result will be 19 and 85 thousandths. Question number 3. 12.4 liter to milliliter. 12.4 product by 1,000. Convert from liter to milliliter product by 1,000. You must move the point right hand side by 3 places. Write 12 and 4 and double 0. The result will be 12,400. Question 4. The number whose prime factors are 3, 3, 5. We can find the number by product. All factors here. Okay, 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 5 equal 45. Question number 5. 12 and 189 thousandths approximated to the nearest thousandth. Write 12 here, 0.01, and 8 will be 9. 9 can give 1 to this digit. Question 3. The value of the digit in the number 2 and 326. You want to find the value of the digit 6. 6 lies in thousandth. It will be 0.006. Next example. Number 4. Last question here. Which is the greatest number here? We have 12.8, 12.75, 12.452, 12.78 and 2. Then the greatest number will be 12.8. It's the greatest number here, 12.8. Next exam. We have 24 divided by 100, says it will be 24 product by 100. Move the point, we have in the point here, okay? Product by 100, put double zero, the result will be 2400. Question 6. The value of the expression 30 subtract by 25 divided by 4 plus 1, right? 30 subtracted by 25 divided by 5, right? 30 subtracted by 25 divided by 5 equal 5. 30 subtracted by 5 will be 25. Question 7. Next question, number 1. Solve the equation 5.5 plus k equals 7.5. You can find the value of k by finding the difference between two numbers. K equals 7.5, subtract by 5.5 equal 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 5 equal 2, then the value of k equal 2. Question number 2. Rami saved 225 pounds and Ala saved 15 times as Rami. How much money did Ala save? Ala will be saved the product between 225 and 15 because Ala saved 15 times Rami and Rami saved 225. Then we can write 225 times 15. 5 times 5, 25, write 5 and carry up 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1 equal 11. And then write 0. 1 times 5 equal 5. 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. Then write 5, 7, 3 and 3. 3,375. Okay. Question number 3. Find the greatest common factor of 28 and 42. We can write factorizing about 28, 4 by 7, and 4 equal to product by 2. And then next number 42 equals 7 times 6, and 6 equal to times 3. Then we can write 28 equal 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, and 42 equals 7 times 2 times 3, 7 times 2 times 3. And then drawing the circle to the common, write the greatest common factor between them. Write from this circle, write 2, and this circle 7. 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the greatest common factor will be 40. Okay. Next example, number 4. A fast train covered a distance 288 kilometers in 12 minutes. Calculate this line covered distance on 1 minute. Okay, we can divide it 288 divided by 12. 2 divided 12, we can do it. 28 divided by 12 equal 2. 2 times 12 equal 24. Find the difference and then drop 8. 48 divided by 12, it will be 4. Then we can write the result will be 24 kilometers. in 1 minute. Okay, the result will be 24 kilometers. Next example, complete the following. Number 1. Next example, the prime factors of 15 equal 3 and 5, because 3 times 5 equal 15. Number 2, the equation of this model bar, we can write here P equal 10.1 subtract by 7.5. This is the equation, and we can find the value of B and find the difference. 11 here, it will be 9. 11 minus 5, it will be 6. And 9 minus 7, it will be 2. The result will be 2.6, the value of B. Next example, number 3. 80 times space equal 8,000. 80 times 100. Number 4. 0 is a common multiple of all whole numbers. Question 5. 15.7, 8 and 9 approximating to be 15.8 to the nearest tenses. This example, to the nearest tenses. Question 6. The missing number here in the pattern 80, 40, 20, we divided by 2, then the result will be 10. Question 7. 3,600 divided by 4, 36 divided by 4 equal 9, and result double 0 here. Question 8. 30 times 8 plus 30 times 20 plus 9 times 8 plus 9 times 20. We can add 30 plus 9, it will be 39, and 20 plus 8, it will be 28, and the result will be 39 times 28. Understood? Question number 1 shows the correct answer. We have 2.4 product by 0.2. 2 times 4 equal 8, and 2 times 2, 4, and the point after 2 places. The result will be 4,800. Okay, question number 2. Convert from centimeter to meter. We have 6,500 centimeter to meter. You must divide it by 100. This will be 65 meter. Question 3. Add 13.5 and 2.5, then divide the sum by 4. Question 4. 0.0 and 2, we can convert it to fractions. Here write 2 over 100, and we can product by 10 numerator and numerator, then the result will be 20,000th. 20,000th. Choose letter C. Next exam, the standard form with the number, we have 0.004 plus 0.8 plus 20 plus 300. You can write 320, 320, and 8 tenses and 4,000th. Next example, number 2. 166.8 plus 12 and 52. We can add them with 0 here. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 5 plus 8 equal 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 3 plus 6 equal 9. And there is 6 and 1. 169 and 32 hundredths. Question number 3 800 milliliter to a liter. To convert from milliliter to liter, you must divide it by 1000. Cancel double zero by double zero. 8 divided by 10, it will be 8 tenths. Number 4. The number whose factors 1, 2, 4, 8, it will be 8. The number will be 8 because 8 equal 1 times 2 and 8 equal 4, 1 times 8 and 4 times 2. Question 5. Approximating to the nearest hundredth. Here we have 39 and 100th 0.018. We can approximate to the nearest hundredth. It can give 1 to this digit. The result will be 39 and 200ths. Question 6. The value of the digit 2 in the number, we have 75 and 462. The value of the digit 2 here will be 0.0 and 0 and 2. It's the value of the digit 2 is this number. Question 7. Which of the following, which is the greatest number here? The greatest number will be 2.7. It's the greatest number. Next example, choose the correct answer. You want approximating the number to the nearest whole number. Whole number here will be 6, okay, and 2, 4. 6 will be 6 because 2 can't give 1 to the digit. The result will be 56. You want approximating to the nearest whole numbers. Number 2. 37,000th. 37,000th subtract by 15,000th. 15,000th. 7 minus 5 equal 2 and 3 minus 1 equal 2, 0.0. The result will be 22 thousandths. 22 thousandths. Write 22 in this space. Next example, number 3. 8 times 5 plus 4. 8 times space 5 plus 4 equal 9. The result will be 9. Question number 4. 3,600 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9 equal 4, and then write double zero. The result will be 400. Okay. Question number 5. 0.3 times 3, it will be 0.9. 3 times 3 equal 9. Question 6. 14.6 product by what equal 146. Multiplication here by 10 because the point moved right hand side by one place. The result will be 10. Put 10 in the space. Okay. Question 7. First step to find the result here about this expression. 24 divided by 4 first. Right, 24 divided by 4. It's the first step to find the solution about this expression. Answer the following here. Number 1. We want to find the difference between 3 and 2300th subtracted by 2 and 200th. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 2 minus 0 equal 2. 3 minus 2 equal 1. The result will be 1 and 2100th. 10 times 5 subtract by 10. 10 times 5 equal to 50. Times 10 it will be 40. Question 3. Multiply 102 by 23. We can find the product between them. Write 102 up and 23 down. 3 times 2 6. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then put 0. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 plus 0 4. 3 plus 0 3. Then the result will be 2346. Question 4. Khalid put 7.8 kilogram of orange and 5.1 kilogram of apples. Find the total kilogram of oranges and apples we can eat them. Now in this example, we must eat them to find the total. We have 7.8 plus 5.1. 8 plus 1 equal 9. 5 plus 7 equal 13. 12. The result will be 12.9 kilogram. Next exam. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. We have number in expanded form and you won't find this number in standard form. We have 10 plus 4, it will be 14, and 9 tenths and 300th. Number 2, we have 50 and 900th, 9,000ths, and 50 and 100,000ths will be greater than. This number greater than, because 1 greater than 0. Question number 3. The suitable unit of measure to the length of height of building, it will be meter. We use the meter to find the length of the height of the building. Question 4. Space is a multiple of 6. Which number can divide it by 6? It will be 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. Okay. Question number 5. 3,000. Question number 5. 3,000 equal 3 product by what? By 1,000. Question 6. 1.2, 4 and 5 product by 100. You must move the point right hand side by 2 places, 1, 2, 4.5. Question 7. Which of the following is mathematical expression? We have expression 4 plus 7. We call this a mathematical expression. Was the equation will be letter A and letter C and letter D. We call that expression equation, but letter B, it will be the equation. Okay. Next example, from the area model here, complete the missing number. We can find the number here in this, in his model. 5 by 3 equal 15. Write 15 here in this space. Then the result will be 50, because the area of rectangle equal length by width. Then we must write here in this table here, write 15. Okay, write here 15. Question number 2. We have 900 gram, convert to kilogram by divided by 1000. You must cancel double zero by double zero, and 9 divided by 1 divided by 10, it will be 9 tenths. Then you can write 9 tenths of kilogram. Question 3. The number whose prime factor is 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 8. The number here, it will be 8. Question 4. The value of y in this equation, y plus 8.2 equal 10.2 and 3. You can find the value of y, 10.2 and 3, subtract by 8 and 23. And the value, it will be 2. Okay, the value here, it will be equal to. Question 5. The rule n times 2 is in the next number about this example number 5. We have 4, 8, 6. We have 4, 8, 16. Okay, 16. And 32 product by 2. 32 times 2 it will be 64. Then the result will be 64. Question 7. 25 times 1 tenths. You must put the point after one place. 2.5. 1.3 divided by 0.5 divided, we must convert the numerator, right? 1.3 over 0.5. We can cancel 0 in the numerator by multiplication by 10. 0.5 times 10, it will be 5, and we have 13. And then put the point and 0 again to find the result. Okay, 13 divided by 5. We can divide it 13 by 5 by put point and 0 here. 13 divided by 5 equal 2 and the remainder 3. With the point, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. The result will be 2.6. Next exam, comparing between 6 times 100 and 6 times 1/10. First step, we can find the result about 6 times 100, it will be 600, and 6 times 1/10 will be 0.6, then this number will be greater than. The only even prime number, it will be 2. Question 3, the place value of the J7 in 8.97. 7 here line is 100th. Okay. Next example. 8 here, 7 here light in 100th. Question 4. 1.8 product by 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 and the carry up 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Question 5. 85.5 gram to kilogram. We must divide it by 1000. Move the point left hand side by 3 places. Write 0, 8, 5 point here and 5 again. Okay, you must put 0 here. Move the point left hand side by 3 places. And the result will be 0.85 and 5. Choose the last one, letter D. Next question, approximating to the nearest tenses. Number 6, we have 9.351, approximating to the nearest tenses here, 5. 5 can give 1 to 3, 9.4. Question 7, 100 times by 25, write 25 and double 0 behind it. Question, okay, we have finished now about question 8. Okay. Example, 25 times 100, it will be 2500. Second question, we want to find the least common multiplication between 4 and 5. It will be 4 times 5, it will be 20. Okay, the least common multiplication between 4 and 5, it will be 20, because 4 and 5 we call it relatively prime numbers. Question number 2, 6 plus 0.08 plus 0.001, write 6 and 800ths and 1000th. Question 3, in the pattern 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, the rule here in plus 5. He ate 5 in the step. Question number 4, the value of the underline here 4.1 and 2. 2 here, the value of this will be 0.02. It's the value of digit 2 about this number. Question number 5. We have 2.15 and 7 liter. Convert 2 milliliter by times 1000. Move the point right hand side by 3 places. The result will be 2, 1, 5 and 7, 2157. Question number 6. 1.2 divided by 0.4. We can write 1.2 over 0.4 by product by 10. Numerator and denominator, it will be 12 divided by 4. The result will be equal 3. The prime factors of 12, it will be 3 and 7. The prime factors of 21. 21 can divide it by 3 and 7 only in the prime factors. We know any prime factor then can divide it by itself and 1 only. You have 2 factors about any prime number. Question 8. We have 8.4 and 1 subtract by 6.3 and 5. 1 minus 5 we can't do it. It will be 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 3 0. And 8 minus 6 it will be 2. The result will be 2.06. Next example. Decompose the number 4.78. We can compose it, write 4 plus 0.7 plus 0.08, but 8 lies in 100. It's a compose. Next example, number 1. The value of x in this equation, we have equation number 1, x plus 0.5 equal 2, then x will be 2 subtract by half, it will be 1.5. Question number 2. 2 and 3,000th in standard form. 2 and 3,000th. Question number 3. 6 times by 4.2 equals 6 times 4 plus 6 times by 2 tenths. 2 tenths. Question number 4. Number 4. 32 and 92 hundredths plus 62 and 71 hundredths. This example, we must add two numbers. 1 plus 2 equal 3, and 7 plus 9 16, 6 and the care of 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 equal 5, and 6 plus 3 equal 9. Question 5. 2, 3, 3 are prime factors of the number 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 times 3 equal 80. Question 7. Question 6. The dividend in the equation will be 36. 36 we called it the dividend, okay? And 4 the divisor, and 9 the quotient. Question number 7. Approximated to the nearest 100th. 3.6, 4 and 2. 100th here 4, then the result will be 3.6 and 4. 2 can't give 1 this digit here. It was question number 7. Next question. The greatest common factor of 15 and 10. 15 equal 3 times 5, and 10 equal 5 times 2. Then the greatest common factor, it will be 5. Next example, 3.4 product by 1.8. We have 34 over 10 and 18 over 10. We can write 34 times 18 here in this draft. 4 times 8 equal 32, write 2 and carry out 3. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 plus 3 equal 27. Plus write 0. 1 times 4 equal 4. 1 times 3 equal 3. And then it's them. 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 and carry out 1. 3 plus 3 equals 6 over 100. Then the result will be 6.12. Okay, it's the result about this example. Next example, Iyad caught a fish 14.5 centimeter long, and Ziyad caught a fish 11.2 centimeter. Find the sum of lengths of two fish. We can find the sum of them by add the total of the lengths, 44 and half centimeter plus 11 and 2 tenths. Okay, we can find the sum of them. 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 4 5. The result will be 55 and 7 tenths centimeter. Is the sum of two of them. Next number, decompose the number here. We have about question number 4 towards question number 3. We have here this example, 4.78. We can write 4 plus 0.7 plus 0.08. Decompose the number.